Did you know that 1/5 of your body is made up of proteins? Hello and welcome to another episode of Unbox where we get our hands on anything and everything that comes in a box. I am Ocean Grace Daniel and I am joined by Sumitra Nair and we will be taking you through the process of unboxing. Today we'll be looking at a product by Aquatine for all you #fitness goal people.
It's difficult to meet, like those who find it difficult to meet your daily protein goals. I feel Aquatine could be your one-stop solution. It's basically a protein isolate and water. So
Yeah. So like all the boxes that I unbox, this also comes in a very attractive packaging. I like black boxes and I've mentioned before how much I love black boxes. So let's get to it and open and see what's inside. So this box has 4 bottles and a pamphlet and a t-shirt. So before we get to the bottle, I think we should just look at the t-shirt because that's something that interested me. So the t-shirt has "Be Better, Be Bold" and that is their tagline. And of course, they are promoting that for all of us to be better and be bold in our choices. So yeah, what do you think about the tagline?
yeah, it's a great. Given the crappy year we had in 2020,
Yeah.
I think this is a great, great mantra to go ahead with. So
Yeah. So most people have a lot of aversion towards protein waters. They say that it is not good for the body. It can have detrimental effects. So I think that's a notion, that is a myth that needs to be busted because we all need proteins on a daily basis because most of our body parts, organs, hair, nails, everything is composed of protein.
and plus, when it comes to those protein powders and protein shakes, I'm always at a loss, because I don't know how many grams to take, and should I go for a vegan protein or a non-vegan isolate,
Yeah.
and how do I mix it in my water, milk, blah. So I think this kind of simplifies it.
So at the same time, we are not advocating artificial protein intake, but for people who cannot meet their daily protein requirement through their daily diet, this is a supplement for you. And the best part about these bottles is that they mention the amount of protein in each of the bottles. So if you look at the bottles closely, you can find the amount of protein present in each of the containers. One has 10 gram and the other has 21 grams. So these are the two variations that Aquatine has come up with. They have 4 exciting flavors: um, orange, strawberry, mixed berry, and green apple. And it looks very pretty. I like looking at it. It looks very interesting. I would drink it actually. I would buy it if I see it at the store. So let's start with your favorite flavor or mine. I think.
Okay, I think I would like to stick to something slightly safe. That's orange.
Yeah, so orange is like the safe flavor, our go-to flavor, be it anything, be it electrolytes, be it ORS, whatever it is. Orange is the flavor that
Or
most of us
Isoli.
go to. Yeah. So let's start with orange. We'll be tasting a little bit and telling you how it tastes like. So it looks orangish on the bottle, but then I think once you pour it in, it doesn't look very orangish. It has a Mirinda smell.
So maybe someone who wants to avoid carbonated drinks.
So I think I would prefer it chilled.
Yeah.
It has an orangish tint to it, but not very loud flavors.
Yeah, I mean it's subtle in a way, and um, like I said, maybe someone who's trying to kick back on carbonated drinks,
Yeah.
those are high in caffeine. So this is equally refreshing, especially when chilled, I guess.
Yeah, and this has 21 grams of protein. So this is the orange flavor, and this also has branched chain amino acids. And the benefit of branched chain amino acids is that it helps you prevent the feeling of fatigue. So
Yeah.
for those of you who are working out and things like that, this is an excellent supplement for you so that you don't feel tired after your workout or a stressful day at work for that matter. So yeah. So that was orange for you. And again, emphasizing on the bit that it has 0 sugar and 21 grams of protein and
No
6
carbs.
grams of branched chain amino acids, 0 carbs. So for all you Weight Watchers, this is a good choice for you if you are into flavored water. Okay. So next up is strawberry. Strawberry is not usually my favorite flavor, but we're gonna try it anyway. If you look at the liquid in the bottle itself, you'll understand that it's not very concentrated. It is diluted. And one thing we forgot to tell you is the quantity that each bottle contains. It is 500 ml. So, tasting the strawberry. It's again not too loud. The flavors are not too loud. I still stand by strawberry is not my favorite flavor. So for a person who likes strawberry, that'd be different. But I don't like strawberry ice cream or strawberry juice or anything strawberry. So yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, it is nice.
For somebody who likes strawberry, I think the case is different. Sumatra says it's nice. So we're gonna go by that. Next up is mixed berry. It has a nice purplish tone to it. And I like purple. I don't know about dictionary, but I love the color purple. So let's see. Okay, by far this is my favorite flavor among the 3 that we've tasted. I like this more than orange and strawberry.
I should say mine too.
And not because I like the color. It tastes good. So yeah, I have nothing more to say. Next up is green apple. This also has an attractive color, and it looks very refreshing. Like from a distance, you look at it. Oh, this is the drink that you drink when you need a refreshing drink. You used to drink too many times in that sentence, but. Okay. Definitely very green apple-y, but I still like the mixed berry better than all the other 3 flavors. So among the 4 flavors, the purple bottle with the mixed berry is my favorite.
So far,
yeah.
Actually, the unanimous winner.
Yeah.
If you want to.
And I would prefer it chilled more than just having it in room temperature. But for people who are taking it to your gym and stuff like that, I think you have to stick to room temperature. There's no other alternative. But again, look at the kind of bottles they have. It looks so attractive. So like probably you take it to the gym, people would notice you.
No, so one thing I would like to add is that having tasted all 4, despite having tasted all 4, there is no sugary aftertaste.
Yeah,
which is a big plus for me. And which I think is a big plus for all the fitness enthusiasts. So it doesn't make me, feel like okay, I'm done.
And I also like that they have marked the amount of protein on each bottle.
Very clear.
Yeah. So if you've met your dietary requirement of protein for that day, for example, you've had a lot of chicken or protein-based fruits and vegetables, then you can stick to the 10 gram and not the 21 gram because too much of anything is bad for you. So
yeah, but at the same time, if you want to avoid another meal and you are aiming for lightness, then you can have your regular like low protein, let's say a egg sandwich, and maybe opt for a 21 gram.
So I bet most of us have made this resolution in the beginning of the year that we are going to lose weight this year and fit into that jeans that we bought 2 years back. So for all those people who have made that resolution, I think this is the best way to start.
Definitely.
And I know that most people are somehow addicted to aerated drinks, be it I'm not taking names. So you know the names, so I'm not taking names. But aerated drinks are very sugary. So, and if you want something flavored, this is good for you. So if you want to know more about these products, go check out their website. They have monthly subscription plans and also details of packs of 4 and packs of 6. And you can select your favorite flavor and get them boxed for you. So if you like only mixed berry, they're going to pack only mixed berry and send it to you. So go check out their website and let us know in the comment section what you think about this product, and if you have any doubts related to this product, and we will try our best to answer it. Until next time, bye.